Welcome everybody, welcome to Wood Profits Reviews. I'm going to be going over wood profits and how you can start your own woodworking business from home. I'm going to be kind of going over through the page, telling you what this is about and kind of what you're going to be getting, why you should probably look into this if you're looking to start your own business, something easy to do, even just a side hustle or all of that. So let's kind of go over this and get right into this. So basically what you want to do is you want to click the link below because I set up a awesome discount code with the owner. All you have to do is click the link below and you'll get it, and then you get sent to this page right here, and then you can read through all this, but I'm just kind of go through this. So right off the bat, you have this headline here that says how to launch your own woodworking business for under $1,000 and make $90,000 to $150,000 a year. All right, so this is how to start your own woodworking business, and basically what you're going to be getting is the blueprints, all of the designs, all of the the necessary setups that you need to do to start your very own business. All right, so the guy who started this, his name is Jim Morgan, and you're going to be getting the step-by-step guide to launching your woodworking business from home with minimal capital. All right, and even if you don't have a woodworking background, or if this is completely new to you, he doesn't skip over anything. He goes over everything from start to finish. So even if you're brand new, you can start making a nice extra part-time income or full-time income if you want. So he has a confession to make. He's not a risk taker. And the reason why this is not necessarily a huge risk is because this is a stable, easy to start business. So again, you're learning how to start your own business. That you could go into be a day trader in the New York Stock Exchange, or you could just start an easy woodworking business that is profitable, very low risk, and you're going to be able to find consistent customers over and over again. All right, so this is a business that allows you to work from home, gives you more quality time with your family. You're able to do it in your spare time, so it doesn't interfere with your regular job. So you can still have your regular job, your regular day job, and still make money on the side doing this in later at night or earlier in the morning or whenever you have time. And it's a business that you can grow to become full time if you want to. So this isn't something that's just going to make maybe 100, 200, 300 bucks a month. You can go full time with this, and he shows you the blueprint to do that. Now, if you want a business that's fun to do, it's that you're going to enjoy doing, and it's going to be fun, this is something for you. It's going to be a challenge. There's going to be some setbacks, but Jim goes through and tells you everything you're going to need to know. All right. So he started his business in a small 10 by 20 feet space. Look at this thing. This is where he started it, and he knows what he's doing. All right. He's been doing this since 1995. He knows exactly what it takes. And with that, he's been able to make serious money doing this day in and day out, and he wants to show you that. So since then, he's made an average of $12,574 every month from home, and he wants to show you exactly how to do that. All right. So here's maybe one of his students. All right. I've always considered woodworking as my hobby. In 1 week, he turned a side gig into something, some tidy extra income. Thanks. Here's another guy who joined it, made some money. So if you want an easy to start business, something that doesn't interfere with your job, then Wood Profit is for you. All right. Basically, what you're going to be getting is you're going to get a full guide with accompanying audio that will take you from where you are to currently to owning a thriving home-based woodworking business in your spare time. You're going to get all the blueprints. You're going to get all the information, and he's not going to leave a single thing out. All right. So you're going to learn to start quickly and operate successfully with Wood Profits. It's a very, very simple program, very detailed guide. You get plans and blueprints for popular subjects. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be able to create simple, profitable crafts. All right, it's very, very easy, and he shows you how to do it. And he's going to show you how to start it for under $1,000. All right. The common misconception, as he says, is that you need a large garage, you need a lot of money, you need a big warehouse, but actually you don't. You actually just need a small amount of capital, and you can get this thing off the ground. All right. You get unlimited one-on-one coaching with him. All right. So you can always be talking to Jim, and he can be answering your questions. Maybe you don't know how to do a certain thing, or you have a customer that's complaining or something. He'll be here to help you. All right. So again, guys, there's so much information here. There's just so much. So what I recommend you do is you click the link below, and you get 10, 20% off, I think, is what you get if you click the link below. Jim was able to give me that discount. So again, I recommend you click the link below. And then a super cool thing he does is he gives you the top 10 profitable crafts for you to sell. All right, he gives you straight into it. He gives you the 10 things that have made him the most money. All right, so you can start right off the bat knowing what you're going to sell and knowing what's going to make your money. All right, and there's just so much more, like I said. So here's some other things: how to contract out some of the work so you can outsource, how to market your service with internet marketing, discover hidden gold mine in antique repair and restoration. So there's just so much information here. There's so much, and I really, really recommend that you guys go ahead and you check out all these testimonials right here. All right. These are real people who've been involved in Wood Profits, and they're simply loving it. So I recommend that you check this out. Click the link below and read some of these and get some honest feedback. All right. So that's about it. One more thing I want to tell you about is you do get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like this at all, there's no risk at all. You can literally just get your money back, and you're good to go. So you can get in. If you're interested, click the link below, get in, check it out, see if it's for you, and if you don't like it, just get your money back. It's that easy. So that's basically all there is for Wood Profits. There's tons and tons of information up here. There's just so much to go through. So I recommend that you click the link below and you get this for 10-20% off, I think. And you'll be able to get and be able to learn exactly how to start your own business. Everyone has that dream. Everybody wants to work for themselves, but not everybody's willing to learn the information that it takes. So here's basically a business handed to you in a box right in front of you. So if you're watching this video right now, click the link below. You're gonna get some percentages off, like 20%. And if you don't like it, you can just get your money back. So thanks for watching this video. And again, if you really want to start your own business in the future, and if it's something that you really want to do, then I recommend that you click the link below, you get started, you make something happen, you do what you've always wanted to do, and you start living the life you've always wanted to. And it takes learning the information. The more you learn, the more you earn. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.